Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you created the content, collect raw footage, project files, and exported masters now. Once done, assemble dated metadata and delivery receipts so you can show a clear chain of creation. Make sure collaborators sign agreements that assign or confirm rights. This prevents disputes later. You will need these materials for registration and platform claims, so organize them in a single folder and create a one-page summary of who did what, when, and how. You next file a formal registration with the Copyright Office, pick the correct category for audiovisual works, and start the application online. As you fill fields, title, authorship, claimant, double-check spellings and dates because errors delay processing. Then upload the required deposit copy. Use the highest quality export that matches the version on YouTube. Once submitted, pay the fee and save the confirmation. Registration strengthens takedown and enforcement actions, so don't skip this step. You finish by enforcing your rights on YouTube and elsewhere. Enroll in Content ID if eligible, or file a DMCA takedown using your registration certificate and evidence. If a platform questions your claim, present the signed agreements, metadata, and registration number. Be concise and authoritative. If a claim is rejected, don't panic. Review application errors, gather additional proof, and consider escalating to an authorized agent or legal counsel. One troubleshooting tip: maintain version backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.